Okay, RSI, or the relative strength index. So this indicator, we do the same thing. We'll go up to our indicator list, right? And we will go to oscillators. We'll then find the relative strength index at the bottom. Click on it. Same window pops up with all other indicators, right? That allows us to do the settings and change the colors and customize the indicator like we wanted. So you can see that we've got a period of 10 that pops up here, right? Usually it's standard with most platforms. We have a period of 14 that appears, okay? And we just reset everything for you. Just want to change this back to the standard settings. Okay, so this is what usually would appear on your chart when you select the relative strength index. So when we click OK, you'd see that the relative strength index, or RSI indicator, will appear on your chart at the bottom, and it's easily represented by one line, right? It's on this specific chart, it's blue line. On some standard charts, it will be a red line. And you can see that we've got two levels that accompany this indicator. These levels are 70 and 30. So what the relative strength index indicator, or RSI indicator, does is it helps traders evaluate the strength of the currency market. So the RSI is similar to stochastics in the way that it identifies overbought and oversold conditions in the market. You can see that it's also scaled from 0 to 100, right? And then it has the levels 30 and 70 in between, right? So same rules apply, or rule of thumb applies for the RSI indicator as it does for the stochastics. So generally when stochastics falls below the 30, it would indicate a market that is now close to being oversold, right? So the market is no longer going to be going downwards for much long. The market might start forming an uptrend where we would be looking for buying opportunities, right? So that is what this represents over here, where you can see the RSI is below the 30, right? The opposite for an RSI that is above the 70, that indicates over here that the market is overbought and it won't go up much further, right? Or go up further for much longer. And we are close to looking for opportunities to sell, or for the trend to change and become bearish, right? So that is what the RSI indicator represents. Okay, some people also trade the RSI indicator with a level 50 in between, right? And what that level 50 represents is a strong trending market. So when the RSI crosses above the 50 and heading towards the 70, we would then consider this to be a strong trending market upwards, which would confirm buying opportunities for us. When the RSI is overbought as it is over here, and it comes down and crosses somewhere below the 50 level, this would then indicate strong selling opportunities for us, and it would confirm a downtrend. So if we click on the stochastic indicator, we can go to the properties, we can go to levels, and we can click on add, and we can actually add in a 50 level, and we can say OK, and you would see that we have a 50 level appear over there. So this just shows how easy it is to modify the indicator. Okay, same thing, we've got parameters and we've got the period, right? So the RSI acts just like a moving average as well, and it calculates what happens with the prices on the chart, right? The candlestick prices, the closing prices, and it then shows us what is happening in the form of a line. So obviously once we change these values over here, we get a different type of line that appears, right, based on different calculations. So that is how the RSI indicator works, and we will get further into how to use RSI the pool FX way when we get into the pool FX trading strategy.